Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up barcode scanning with ML-Kit for Android and iOS. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have a development environment set up for both Android and iOS. For Android, make sure you have Android Studio installed and a project created. For iOS, have Xcode installed and a project ready to go. Next, add the ML-Kit dependencies to both your Android and iOS project files. For Android, open the build.gradle file and include the ML-Kit barcode scanning dependency. Sync your project to download the required libraries. For iOS, open your project's pod file and add the ML-Kit barcode dependency. Run pod install to ensure the pod is installed correctly. Now, create a camera preview in your app. For Android, use the Camera X library to implement a camera view. Set up the necessary permissions in the Android manifest.xml file to access the camera. For iOS, use AV Capture Session to create a live camera feed. Make sure to adjust your info.plist file to include camera usage permissions. Once the camera preview is ready, configure the barcode scanning component. For Android, create an instance of the barcode scanner from ML-Kit. Set the barcode scanning options as needed, such as formats to scan. For iOS, instantiate the barcode scanner from ML-Kit as well. Handle session output to process captured frames for barcodes. Implement a callback to handle the detection of barcodes. For Android, use barcodescanner.process in combination with the camera feed. For iOS, handle the AV Capture Output method to detect barcodes as they appear. Once barcodes are detected, you can extract information and display results. Finally, test your implementation on both Android and iOS devices. Debug and adjust any configurations as necessary to ensure smooth functionality. Your barcode scanning features should now be fully operational. Congratulations, you have successfully set up barcode scanning with ML-Kit for both platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.